Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Everyday Eats. Today, we're hitting the streets figuratively, of course, to recreate one of the most iconic, delicious, and satisfying street foods out there, the Mexican Chicken Quesadilla. Forget those limp, sad quesadillas you might have had before. We're talking crispy, cheesy, packed with flavor, and absolutely irresistible. This is the real deal. The kind you'd find at a bustling food truck in Mexico City. And the best part, it's surprisingly easy to make right at home. So, grab your apron and let's get cooking. First things first, let's talk chicken. The heart of our quesadilla is juicy, flavorful, shredded chicken. I'm starting with 2 chicken breasts that I've already poached until tender. You can also use a rotisserie chicken to save even more time. The key is to shred it while it's still warm. It just falls apart so much easier. Once it's all shredded up, we're going to give it a major flavor boost. In a hot pan with a little bit of oil, I'm sauteing some finely diced onion until it's soft and sweet. Then, I'll toss in some minced garlic and cook for just another minute until it's fragrant. Be careful not to burn it. Now, for the magic, to our onions and garlic, we're adding the shredded chicken. Stir that all together. Then, we'll add our spices, a good spoonful of chili powder, some cumin for that earthy depth, a pinch of smoked paprika, and a little bit of oregano. And of course, salt and pepper to taste. Mix it all up so every single piece of chicken is coated in those beautiful spices. To bring it all together and keep it moist, I'm adding a splash of chicken broth and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Let that simmer for a few minutes until the liquid has mostly absorbed. Oh, the smell in here right now is just incredible. Once it's done, set that flavor-packed chicken aside. Next up, the star of any quesadilla, the cheese. For that authentic street-style cheese pull, you want a good melting cheese. I'm using Oaxaca cheese, which is a traditional Mexican cheese that melts beautifully. If you can't find it, don't worry. A good quality low-moisture mozzarella or even a Monterey Jack will work perfectly. Decures. To shred it yourself from a block. Pre-shredded cheese has anti-coking agents that can prevent it from melting as smoothly. Trust me, it's worth the extra 2 minutes of effort. Get a nice big pile of it ready. Alright, it's assembly time. This is where it all comes together. I'm using large flour tortillas. You can use corn if you prefer. But flour tortillas get that perfect crispy chewy texture. Heat up a large dry skillet or a comal over medium heat. Place 1 tortilla in the pan. Now, cover 1/2 of the tortilla with a generous handful of that shredded Oaxaca cheese. Pile on a good amount of our seasoned chicken right on top of the cheese. Then, sprinkle another layer of cheese over the chicken. This is our secret weapon: cheese on the bottom and cheese on top. Creates a cheesy glue that holds everything together. Now carefully fold the empty half of the tortilla over the filling, pressing down gently with a spatula. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. You're looking for the tortilla to be golden brown and crispy, and for the cheese to be completely melted and gooey inside. You'll see it peeking out the sides, and that's a very good sign. That crispy, slightly burnt cheese on the pan. That's the best part. Once it's golden on both sides, slide it onto a cutting board. Let it rest for just a minute before you cut into it. This helps it hold its shape. And there you have it. A perfect street-style Mexican chicken quesadilla. Look at that cross-section. The layers of chicken, the melted cheese, ... It's just a thing of beauty. I like to cut mine into wedges and serve it with my favorite toppings, like a dollop of sour cream or Mexican creamer, some fresh pico de gallo, a spoonful of guacamole, and maybe a little hot sauce for a kick. Every bite is a perfect combination of crispy tortilla, savory chicken, and glorious melty cheese. This is 1,000 times better than any takeout. I really hope you give this recipe a try. It's perfect for a quick weeknight dinner, a fun lunch, or even for a party. Let me know in the comments what your favorite quesadilla fillings are. Thanks so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.